Today we are celebrating birth anniversary Jayanti of Mahatma Gandhi and Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. Good morning all respected teachers and my friends. My humble request to all the honorable guests, please take your seat on the dais. I request Srimati Shubhangi ma'am to accept position of the president of today's program. I request the entire respected dais, please give a tribute to both great leaders by offering the garland of flowers.
घाबरून रिलॅक्स बोल हां रिलॅक्स आणि जोरात बोल. हातात घेते का माईक सर तिला हातात
Now I request to my friend Divya, please welcome our principal Srimati Shubhangi ma'am, Shubhangi Sureshi ma'am by giving her flowers.
We are celebrating Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. First, I give my tribute to them. Mahatma Gandhi is not only India's leader, but he is world leader. So, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrating in about 150 countries in the worldwide.
Gandhi Jayanti is also known as International Day of Non-Violence. Friends, Mahatma Gandhi is the best way to spread Mahatma Gandhi's idea, thoughts and great works. Thank you. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of our country. Thank you. Thank you. Mahatma Gandhi was also known as Frontierer Gandhi, almost single-handedly led the independent movement in the northwestern corner of India. So he was referred to as the one-man army by Lord Mountbatten. In 1926, he gave the famous slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Shastri was nicknamed the man of peace. He was follower of Gandhiji's ideology. Shastri was known for his honesty and humility. He died on 11 January 1966. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1966. After his death. Thank you. Bapu, as whole country fondly call him with this name. Bapu was undoubtedly the greatest freedom fighter of India's freedom struggle. Of course, there were many political leaders, freedom fighters at the time, but Bapu was a different. His simplicity and pious thinking made him instantly connect. He played a major role in the Indian freedom struggle. He was arrested several times during the struggle for independence. He was extremely against the caste system. He gave the famous slogan is Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He is always known for his man of peace. He is always known for his honesty and humanity. He was a follower of Gandhiji's ideology. He worked hard toward country's progress. He empowered women and supported to farmers. His death on 1966 in Tashkent. He was awarded to Bharat Ratna in 1966 after his death. Thank you. Now I request Srimati Shubhangi ma'am to share her thoughts for.
सर्वांचं पाठांतर पण छान आहे. एक जर पण आतापर्यंत वाक्य विसरले नाही तर तुम्हा सर्वांना आत्ताच शुभेच्छा. तर नंबर काढणार आहे, मॅडम नंबर काढणार आहे, तर तुम्हाला सर्वांना शुभेच्छा. नंबर नाही आला तरी नाराज व्हायचं नाही. तुम्ही पण छान आहे. तुम्ही सर्वजण एवढे सुंदर इंग्लिश बोलताय. भाषण करणारे सर्वांचं अभिनंदन आणि विशेषतः अँकरचं अभिनंदन. कितीला अँकर, काय नाव आहे अँकरचं नाव? सायली पूर्ण नाव? हां, सायलीचं खूप खूप अभिनंदन. कितवीला आहे?
5वी.
5वीला आहे.
Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat in a Hindu family. His father Karamchandra Gandhi was chief minister of Porbandar. He was the greatest freedom fighter. He is also called father of the nation. He always wore simple dhoti made from khadi. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violence movements to gain freedom free British rule. Under his able guidance, India became free on 15th August 1947.
It is reminder that even in the face of adversity, one can stand strong with principle of truth and non-violence. Let us remember and honor Mahatma Gandhi's legacy by striving for a more just, peaceful and harmonious world. We can do this by following his ideal of the truth, non-violence and working his idea of truth, non-violence and working toward the betterment of society. Thank you.
We celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti in India. Mahatma Gandhi was the great Indian leader and freedom fighter. Thank you.
Today I am going to speak a few lines on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the great freedom fighter of India. He was born 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We lovingly called him Bapu and father of nation. He played a very important role to get India free.
Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of Indian independence movement and was popular for his non-violent means. He became an active part of the Indian freedom resistance against the British colonial rule, non-cooperation movements.
Freedom. Bapu was very famous in Africa for his social works. He united the people of whole India. His favorite song was Raghupati Raghav Rajaram. His favorite pastime was spinning yarn on charka. Bapu was great soul and a great freedom fighter. We should always remember him and his work. Thank you.
Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter and ideal politician. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He was a man of simple living and high thinking. He worked hard to free our country from British rule. His main principles were truth and non-violence. We lovingly call him.
Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Bapu and father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father's name was
His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him Bapu. He is father of our nation. His father name is Karamchand Gandhi and mother name is Putlibai. He was born on 2 October 1969 in Porbandar, a small city of Gujarat.
Gandhiji played a very important role to get India free. He was a great follower of peace and non-violence. Gandhiji believed in a simple living and high thinking. His birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. The life of Mahatma Gandhi is a great inspiration for all of us. Thank you.
Out the India. At last, due to his effects on India independence from the British, he all honors him, but closing him the Mahatma and father of national. You must be the change you want to see in the words. Thank you.
Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter, writer, secular, socialist and above all an ideal politician. Yes, he was a multi-talented and superhero during the India freedom freedom struggle. We all always remember Bapu as a symbol of peace.
Diwan of Porbandar at that time. His mother Putlibai was a very noble and religious lady. He was went to school at the age of 7. At the age of 7 at school, he was not bright student, but he was very honest and hardworking.
Of the nation or Rashtrapita. He always wore a simple dhoti made from khadi. He believed in a simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violent movement to gain freedom from British rule.
Lal Bahadur Shastri was second Prime Minister of India. He was born on 2nd October 1904. It is Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh. His father's name was Sharad Prasad and mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi.
So there is a big round of applause for 5th and 6th standard students. Small children they did very good. Without seeing, they have said, they have speak up. So I am going to declare the result. The third prize goes to Shreya Pandey from 6th standard. Second prize goes to Shravani Talekar from 6th standard. And the first prize goes to Siddhi Kakre from 6th standard. हे तिन्ही मुलींनी खूप सुंदर सादर केला आहे. So again a big round of applause for 3 of them. We have taken out one consolation prize, that is Divya Kaithankar from 5th standard.
Special appreciation.
So, see children, from a 5th standard student, this girl, तिने किती सुंदर ऍक्टिंग केलेली आहे ते म्हणजे इंग्लिश मधून है ना, बरोबर आहे. इंग्लिश मध्ये ऍक्टिंग करणं सोपं नाही आहे, बट शी डिड व्हेरी गुड ऍक्टिंग. सो अगेन अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हर. So I want the next time other children also participate in this anchoring. दुसरे मुलांनी पण अँकरिंग करायची इंग्लिश मध्ये. आणि परदेशी सरांना विनंती करते की तिला फूल देऊन तिचा सत्कार करावा.
Thank you, Sally. Today we celebrated the birth anniversary or Jayanti of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. For this program, our principal ma'am gave her valuable time to us. Thank you very much, ma'am. I also thank you to our assistant headmaster, Pardeshi sir, Pawar ma'am, Shinde sir, Gaikwad ma'am, and Nagar ma'am. I also thanks to Ambore ma'am who gave very valuable information of Mahatma